I'm standing before the Sydney Opera House, one of the important landmarks of Australia. It's a beautiful piece of architecture, and it was designed by an Italian architect who won the best prize for this architecture. The plan was conceived in 1957, but it was built on 1973, October 20th. That is 50 years ago. This beautiful piece of architecture came into being. Many concerts, world-famous concerts happened here. அழகான இந்த Opera House, நிறைய பாடல்கள், and the Western classical music, one of the best designed opera houses in the whole world. UNESCO in the World Heritage Center, they have declared it. The beauty of this is, it stands forever. இதை கட்டி அவங்க எடுக்கிற போது இது வந்து ஒரு லேண்ட்மார்க்கான ஒரு காரியமா சிட்னின்னு சொன்னாலே அதுக்கு ஒரு அடையாளம் வேணும்னு சொல்லி அவங்க விரும்புறாங்க. அந்த சிட்னி ஓப்பரா ஹவுஸ் இன்றைக்கு சிட்னிக்கு ஒரு அடையாளமாக இருக்கிறாங்க. God is also going to make you a sign and a wonder. ஒரு அடையாளமா உங்களை கர்த்தர் மாற்ற போகிறார். Today you don't have identity. Sometime there was no Sydney Opera House. It was just a plain land. But when this masterpiece was built, it became a sightseeing place. World over, people are coming, tourists are coming every day to see it. Today you might be an ordinary person, but the Lord says, I will make you a sign and a wonder. உன்னை ஒரு அதிசயமாய் ஒரு அற்புதமாய் நான் மாற்றுவேன் என்று சொல்கிறார். Micah chapter 7 verse 15. உன்னை அதிசயங்களை காணப்படுவேன். I'll make you see wonders. You are going to become a wonder, and God is going to make you a masterpiece for the whole world. My dear children of God, don't worry that you are nobody today. God is working on you. He's building you. Building took so many years, but once it's built, it became a masterpiece. நான் விசுவாசிக்கிற அப்படியே தான் கடவுள் உங்களையும் ஒரு masterpiece மாற்றுவார். So many ships are going to come and pass by. So many people are going to come and pass by. You will be a world heritage person. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.